Welcome to this course on the Excel upper, lower, and proper functions. These functions are useful when you want to change the case of a text string in Excel. The upper function converts all letters in a text string to uppercase, the lower function converts all letters to lowercase, and the proper function converts the first letter of each word to uppercase and the rest to lowercase. To use these functions, start by opening your Excel workbook and selecting the cell where you want to change the case of a text string. Next, click on the Formulas tab and select the upper, lower, or proper function from the function library. In the function arguments window, you will need to specify the cell that contains the text string that you want to change the case of. You can do this by either typing in the cell reference manually or by clicking on the cell in your worksheet. Once you have specified the cell, click OK to close the function arguments window. The upper, lower, or proper function will then change the case of the specified text string and display the result in the selected cell. You can also use these functions in a formula by typing the function into the formula bar and hitting enter. For example, you could use the upper function to compare two text strings that are in different cases by converting both to uppercase before comparing them. Thank you for watching this course on the Excel upper, lower, and proper functions. I hope you found it helpful and that you can now use these functions to easily change the case of a text string in your Excel worksheets.